Hi guys, welcome to your 12th tutorial on XHTML. We're going to continue off with tables, and in this lecture I'd like to discuss and show you call span, cell padding and cell spacing. So let's start off with call span. Call span, let me just show you here first of all. We'll just put in another row, okay, close the row, and inside this row we're going to put a header, okay. I like to move things over because it looks better, okay. And this is going to be our header, okay. Now in here, inside this tag, we just go call span, well not cell span, is equal to, we'll call it 2. And you're probably going, what is he on about? Well, let's just put a header inside here and we'll give it a H2 so we can see what we're looking at, okay? And we just call it, because of what we have down here, relative to that, we call it earth. Okay? And we just close off this H2, just like this. And then we have our header closed. Now, basically what this means is, there's one row going across and the other row below it. This call span 2 means that this header will stretch across both the yellow and the sun. Okay, so let's just save this here for a minute and let's just run this and see how it looks. Okay, now let's give it a chance. And here we go. Close this window down. Now you see this has spanned across 2. Okay, now we can change it again. Let's span it across the 3 of them so we have it looking, neat looking. Back to we go for 3 this time. Don't forget, always save it. Go back into your page and refresh that. There you go. So this is a header. This call span means we have now put a header across all these. Okay, so that's that. So moving back, what I want to go on to now, I want to look at, let me see, what will be the best thing. Yeah, we're going to look at cell padding. The cell padding is different than cell spacing. Cell padding is the space the cell has inside, the text inside its own border. Okay? So we're in this table border. Let's just say we take out the width for, we'll leave the width in actually, and we'll go for cell padding, let me see, equals to 12. Okay? Now just save this. Let's go in and refresh this and see what we get. Now, as you can see here, the space around the text has increased by 12. Okay, not the board itself, but the space. And just to show you that again, let's look to say, we're a bit mad at this, but we'll go to 22. We'll save that. Now we're going to open it up first and look at it as we do this. Now watch it again. See, it's a space inside from the text to the border. Okay, so that's cell padding. Okay, now I want to look at something else here called cell spacing. And this is the space around each cell, each border, but not the text within the border. Now we're not going to go to 22 on this one. We'll just bring it back to 12. Okay, so we save that. Let's go back into our file, refresh this. Now you see, this is the space each cell has between the border. The text is still the same, but each cell has a space of 12 around it. To show you that, we could highlight it a bit more and we'll bring it up to 22. Okay, save that. We'll go back in here and we'll refresh it as we're looking at it. See, look how much we've increased. But this is cell padding. Cell spacing, as I said, is the space shown here. Cell padding is the space each text has within its own box. Okay? No, I did say the wrong way around. So cell spacing, you know now. So go back into this just to summarize. We have cell spacing, the space around each cell, the distance between each cell, and cell padding, which is the distance between the text in each cell to that cell. Okay. Code span we've looked at too. We now know the code span, as you can see here, code span 3. So we're going to have Earth spanning across as a header across the 3 of these. So it's 1B kernel. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any questions or anything at all bothering you, just leave me a message. Okay. Thanks. Bye.